Arch Disability Law Center is a not-for-profit specialty community legal clinic. We work to make changes for a more inclusive Ontario for people with disabilities. Most of our funding comes from Legal Aid Ontario, but we also get support from other places. Arch provides free legal services to people with disabilities all across Ontario who qualify. We give free and confidential legal advice, information, and connect people to other resources if needed. Arch is a test case clinic. We represent people with disabilities in important cases that can change the law and improve the lives of people with disabilities. Arch also gets involved in important cases by helping other disability rights organizations. We have done this in many important disability rights cases at all levels of court, including at the Supreme Court of Canada. We don't just go to court. Arch also works on changing laws and policies to make things better for people with disabilities in other ways. We teach people with disabilities about their rights, work with grassroots organizations, and we train lawyers and decision makers about the legal issues that matter most to people with disabilities. We also help lawyers and paralegals who work with people with disabilities in select areas of law. We support them in making sure their clients get the right accommodations and help them with disability law issues. Arch works on disability rights issues not just in Ontario, but also across Canada and the world. Arch also offers free workshops, materials, and resources on our website and in our library. We send out a free newsletter called the Arch Alert, which shares updates about disability rights in Ontario and Canada. We also have a blog where we share important news and trends in disability rights law. In addition to our workshops, resources, and publications, Arch runs innovative programs like Respecting Rights, which teaches people with disabilities about their legal rights. We also partner with law schools, such as our partnership with Osgoode Hall Law School called the Disability Law Intensive Program, which offers placement opportunities for law students. Arch Disability Law Center is here to help. If you are a person with a disability living in Ontario and have questions about your legal rights, contact Arch for free, confidential legal advice. We can provide you with referrals if we do not practice in the areas of law that you are contacting us about. Call Arch toll-free at 1-866-482-2724. Arch also maintains a teletypewriter or TTY line, toll-free at 1-866-482-2728. If you are seeking legal information from Arch and cannot contact us by telephone or TTY due to disability-related reasons, we can be contacted by email at intake@arch.clcj.ca. You can also visit our website at www.archdisabilitylaw.ca or follow us on social media. You can find us on Facebook at Arch Disability Law Center, on X at Arch Disability, on Instagram at Arch Disability Law, on YouTube at Arch Disability Law Center 600, and on TikTok at Arch Disability Law. Thank you for learning about Arch Disability Law Centre. We are committed to ensuring that all persons living with a disability in Ontario can live with dignity and equality. To learn more or get involved, contact Arch today. Together, we can create a more inclusive society for everyone.